guys, WeatherWheelHVAC. As you guys can probably see, I'm in an unusual filming location as of today. I'm currently in my bedroom. As you guys can see, here's my 48-inch Hunter original on my ceiling in my bedroom. But yeah, it's been 3 years since my central AC, my upstairs unit, has been giving me issues, so it's about time I've done something about it. So without further ado, here's what I did about it. As you guys can see, I finally have an air conditioner inside my bedroom. This is a 1970 Gibson air sweep window air conditioner, 6,000 BTUs that I got from KB last last August at the air conditioner meet. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's in very good shape, excluding the missing Gibson tag, which eventually I'll find another. But as you guys can see, it's been storming, so I'm doing it while it's decent. As you guys can see down there, there's my Gibson. But without further ado, we'll do a quick look around of the thing. As you can see, the install isn't the greatest. Could have done it better, could have done it worse. But as for me, it works good. I sealed up as many air gaps as possible. And yeah, I have this dowel temporarily until I get one of those things to go right here to hold the window down on the AC. Here's the control panel in here, as you guys can see right here. I don't know if I've ever made a dedicated video of it. I know I made one of it a while back, but I don't think I ever uploaded it. But for some of you guys, well, actually, I did it did show an appearance in the air conditioner meet. The thing was very efficient when I put it on the kilowatt there. I think it was like 760 watts and dropping on low cool. But yeah, we're gonna take off this front screw that holds on the grill. If I do permanently install this, I will screw it in eventually if that does happen. But as for now, until the ream gets fixed, it's temporary. Though I would like it to be permanent because it really helps me. All right, here's the inside. Here's the grill. Pretty standard Gibson grill. Here's the inside. You got your controls. You got your air sweep on and off, and then you got a filter. This thing gets icy cold. I wish I had my temp gun on me. I might grab it actually whenever we run it. When I go outside, I'll go grab it real quick. But as you guys can see, this is an air sweep model. There's the motor, little tiny motor in there that drives these gears. There's the data tag back there. Model number AL06B6EGBD. All right. 115 volts, 60 hertz, single phase, of course. 6,000 BTUs. Straight cool, of course. 18.7 ounces of R22. Recommended fuse 15 amps. This is on a 15 amp circuit, so that's fine. The serial number is 1270-90-0643. I'm thinking the 1270 is possibly the year code. It would make sense because I've been noticing, I don't know if any of you guys have noticed, because this thing has a pretty special compressor. This thing has a Bendix reciprocating compressor. I've seen like so many types of compressors in these little Gibsons, these like this exact type. Who is it? A good friend of mine, Jeff, well, it now belongs to the air conditioner guy. He had a Gibson with a Tecumseh AE in it. It's now belongs to Russ. He has a video of it on his channel, the air conditioner guy. And who is it? KB, who gave me this Gibson. He has another Gibson that he fully went through. It has a Copeland in it. But anyway, I noticed, I might show this on the tag, I don't know yet, but basically the on the compressor tag on the Bendixes, there's a few like I compared it to who is it? Will Trill's he has a 1960s Westinghouse, but we noticed they have the same exact model number on the compressor label. But the weird thing is, there's in big lettering, it was T70 on mine, and his was T66. I'm thinking that's the year, 70 and 66. It would make sense because it matches in the model number over here. 12, you see 70 in there. I'm thinking this thing's a 1970 unit. I don't know what the 12 stands for. I don't know if it's the week or the month. December 1970, I don't know. If any of you guys are experienced with the serial numbers on these, I would like to have some insight on this, but yeah. 7.5 amps while cooling. Made in Greenville, Michigan. But yeah, without further ado, I'll skip the board. I'll just turn down the thermostat. I'm going to turn on the compressor in a minute. But I first want to show you the air sweep working. So we'll go on low fan first. Oh yeah, this unit has been gone through, new brighted and everything, so it's working good. So the air sweep vents are working. Shut it down. Alright, I'm gonna put the grill back on real quick, and we'll be back. Alright, grill is back on. Let me just lower the vents so it doesn't start the fan motor of anything. There we go, that's open. Alright. Actually, we're gonna put it in between speeds. Alright, as you can see, it actually leaves the motor on. You can hear the motor running for the air sweep. I'm gonna turn that off. You can also see it has a vent. You can see it open in there. I don't know if you can, how well. Where the hell is it? I'm trying to see if you can get a good view of the vent right now. You can kind of see it in there. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it. Alright, anyway, we'll have it in between speeds. We'll put it over here. This is where the compressor is over here. Let's start it up. Alright, low cool. There it is. This thing has drain holes in it. I drilled. But yeah. Let's go through the speeds. This is low cool, medium cool, and high cool. Oh, let's turn on the air sweep. If that would focus. There we go. I have the thermostat maxed out right now just until I'm done with the video. I usually keep it around 7, which is about 68 in here, which is comfy, so that's good. But yeah, I guess I'll show off the outside. Oh, why does this camera not want to focus? Alright, there we go. Yeah, we'll go outside and we'll check it out. But it's not screwed in or anything. Well, that's secured, so it's well, it's on the second floor. No one's gonna break in for the unit. It's like stupid. Basically death if you actually try to go up on a ladder to pull this thing out of the wall. But yeah, I guess we'll go outside and check it out. Alright, there it is up there. It's running. Not all I can see it. It's actually dripping. Yeah, I have my camera on the high camera, so it's kind of zoomed in right now, I know. Actually, there's a thing on it. Let me see if I can wipe that off. Playing slightly. Alright. Whatever. There it is up there. You can see I temporarily have a bucket underneath it. Oh, this camera's annoying. I can't zoom in and out on this stupid thing, so I'm gonna zoom out real quick. Alright, yeah, the iPhone 13 is slightly annoying when it comes to that, but as you can see up there, there's drain holes kind of in there. There's 2 of them. But yeah, I have this bucket here for now. Actually, it's been collecting a little bit of water. I don't know if it's rainwater or if it's maybe a mix of both. But I have to move this out of the way, so until that's moved, yeah, that bucket will be there. But yeah, there it is running. See if you can get to the side, you can hear it a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. I have my temp gun here. We just acquired it from the garage. You can see the air temp over there. There's my dog. Alright, let's see if I can kind of get a reading off the evap. Come on. Can I get up there? I don't think it's gonna, yeah. I don't think I'm getting a reading from down here. It's starting to rain a little bit, but yeah, there it is outside. It's on a tilt as well, as you guys might be able to tell. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, we're back in my room. As you can see, according to my thermostat, it's nice and cool in here. Here's my Vortelex. Yeah, I'm editing another video on here. This is actually a video for a later upload. It's an outdoor startup of it from earlier. But yeah, here it is running. We'll get some temp checks off of it. To be more accurate, we'll take off the grill. But that's ice cold. That's frigid. I can't even sit in front of it for too long. Take that off. We'll take out the filter as well so we can get good temps on the evap coil. Alright, here are your evaps, the evap coil. It's frigid, as you guys can probably... I don't know if I might be able to pull this trick off, but we'll see. We're gonna see what put it in between. I don't know if that worked or not. You guys might be able to see it or not, but maybe it frosted for you guys. I'm not sure. I tried. Try to see if it'll make a little bit of fog, but yeah. All right. As you guys can see, oh yeah, we got thunder strike within 10 miles of me. I just got the notification. It's about to start storming again. Severe weather's coming through. But as you guys can see, it's going below freezing. It's running good. Now as for this, you can see this is in the teens right here. Going all the way down. Has a full charge. My hand's actually soaked from keeping my hands on this. I'll show you. And it's freezing too, let alone. Yeah, look at that. It's a lot of water. Put a thing on high and we'll see how much get off it. This should indeed, in theory, make it warmer. However, it's still very cold. It's going into the 20s. This is actually colder than what it was before. So, yeah, it gets cold. I actually hear the thunder out there, but yeah. Let's put this cover back on and we'll end off the video, I guess. Alright, it's running again with the grill. Guess we'll cut it off, I guess. We'll put it on fan and I'll go through the fan speeds as well, I guess. Alright. Rest of it, turn it off. It actually jolted the window a little bit. Alright, that's a low fan. Let's go to medium fan. That's medium. High fan. Alright, and let's shut it off. There we go. Now, one more thing I want to check is, I haven't checked this, but this thing was running for 10 minutes, so that's pretty good. Unplug it, and we're just going to check and make sure the plug isn't hot, which it's not, which is great. So this cord is proper for this thing, and it works good. Put that back in. Hear my wall plate just scraping. But yeah, that's about it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.